Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to reset your GoDaddy password. All right. So first up in here, if you're currently logged in, you can go ahead over to your profile right here at the top right. Just click on it. Now click on account settings. Okay. Click, wait for it to load. In the left panel, just click on security. Once done, go ahead and scroll all the way down and you'll find password. Okay. To reset or change it, just click on edit. Now it's going to need you to enter your current password and change it from here. Okay, once that's done, just hit on save. Now the other option is by, for example, you cannot log in and you wanted to reset your password. Okay, I'm going to show you. I'm just going to go ahead and sign out. Then I'm going to sign in right here at the top right. Sign in. I'm going to use my email right here. Email, continue, sign in with password. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and type in the wrong password right here. I'm going to hit on continue. Now, as you can see here, just click on reset your password. With this link, just click on it. Now to reset your password, just go ahead and enter your username or customer number. Make sure that you remember your username or customer number. Then once that's done, just hit on continue. And in the next page, it will give you a password form where you can go ahead and enter your new password. And after that, you're good to go. That is it. That's how you reset your GoDaddy password. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.